They made us feel so special. They had a big banner that had our name, and we knew exactly where they were, and they had their camera rolling, and we felt like celebrities coming out of that airport. And it was so easy to get along, and even that ride from the airport to King's Castle, they were, they were so social. They just made it so easy to get along, and they gave us so much information so that we could feel comfortable. This week has been amazing. It's been 3 days of full-on, hands-on ministry, and that means we show up to a site, whether that's a school or a community, and we begin to set up and we begin to invite children if we're in a community. Somebody who's sitting there and watching our presentation can actually relate to one of these scenarios. And as we present these scenarios, then Jesus shows up, and Jesus begins to help them come out of their brokenness. And the children got to see that, which was beautiful. And not only that, they were given an opportunity now to accept Jesus. We would ask the children, we would tell them about Jesus and what he has done for us, and then we would give the opportunity for the children to ask them if they would like to receive Jesus. And we saw so many hands. Just the 3 days of ministry has been so many children giving their heart to the Lord. It was just so beautiful to see. And these children would begin to open up and share that with us. And we began to lay hands and believe in faith that Jesus will help them in their situation. So those were real amazing moments that I believe impacted not just me, but the entire team as well.
Be my healer.
Sé mi sanador.
Take away my sadness.
Toma mi tristeza.
Take away my pain.
Toma mi dolor.
Renewed passion and zeal for evangelism, that their hearts would be stirred up to reach the people around them. I want them to take away the fact that missions is not just in El Salvador, but it's at home, on their campus. Many of the team members are students, either from the University of Toronto or elsewhere, and I want them to realize that missions doesn't always involve coming to another country, but this is right at home as well. As they go to school, it is a mission field. So that's something I'm hoping that they would take along with them.